This is Bonnie here. We're in Riverglades in Fourways, and we've been camping since Friday. As you can see, we've got our lovely tents here, and yeah, basically we're just camping, trying to feel that nice vibe of camping. So it's been like this since Friday, Saturday, and today is Sunday. And with me, I've got friends, and yeah, so we've been doing this with our friends. There's James, Happy, and beautiful Naledi right there. Guys, how's it been though?
Awesome.
I don't want to get out.
You don't want to get out, right? Nyazuela, guys, Nyazuela, it's been lit, it's been awesome. So yeah, you can also catch us on the 19th to the 21st of April in Graskop Resort. So that's where we're going, and we'll have a loads of fun rather, so we'll meet different people, we'll have DJs, we'll have we'll sit by the fire and have great conversations. So join us and come and experience great fun. Thank you.